bumped into a old schoolmate the other day. We were talking about time flies, getting grey hairs, and she was talking about her kids, and I was talking about my friends who have kids. 'Cause I think basically the process of getting older, and it got me thinking also again about when my mum passed. Because when my mum passed, for the longest while I was having dreams of me, my brother, and my mum, and we would be younger. The ages isn't necessarily aligned. Like I'd be like kind of in my 20s, early 30s. My mum would be like late 30s, 40s, which obviously doesn't make sense in reality. But and my brother would be anywhere between like teen to like adolescence, kind of. It got me thinking that grieving your youth is a real thing. But I also realized getting old is a privilege that everybody gets to have.